Good morning. It's Friday morning, and it's time to milk and feed, and it's hot and muggy, so let's let the chickens out. Okay, Peachy, go get where you're supposed to be. We're going to get Peachy a little food. Look, following me all the way out here. Go ahead. Go ahead this morning. Start with me. Will! I have to lock this gate, y'all, to where the goats won't come out when I go get Butterfly. Woo, it's a muddy mess in here, guys. Mercy. Look at my boots sinking. See that? Ugh. These little critters. That's for the ducks. Wet and nasty, guys, out here. I like to put a little bit like that to where they can eat, sit on something and eat it. See, look. Spoiled little rabbit. Let's go feed the chickens. Look, there's my camera, y'all. That allows me to see in here at night. So the cows are not here. I go ahead and I put their feed in the trough because while I'm milking, they usually come up to eat. Let's go feed these chickens and get Junior back in the pen. Oh. Uh-oh. Junior's in the field over there with Butterfly. So he'll come out when I go to milk Butterfly. Okay, up next is we got to get the food ready for Butterfly in her trough before I go and get her. So now I'm going to get her a couple blocks of hay. Some of this alfalfa hay that we got. Peachy. Let me show you what I'm going to do with Peachy. Oh. This is what I do with Peachy every morning, so I don't have to fight with her and Butterfly. Daniel. All right. I got them back in. Now, I'm going to stop by the house and get me some gloves real quick. Because I started milking her with gloves because I saw on Homesteady that she uses gloves when she milks and says that we can pass bacteria or something to the cows. So, gloves until I get me a milker. Now, I'm going to feed the boys. I'm pretty sure you can hear Butterfly hollering. She does that in the mornings time. Look at her, y'all. Watch her follow me down the fence line. Hey, Butterfly. Good morning. Good morning. So I go and feed the boys, and then on my way back, I stop and pick her up. And then I take her to the milking stanchion. So she'll wait right there for me till I come back through, and then she'll run and meet me at the gate. So let's get these boys some food. It's hot and muggy out here, y'all. Come on, Butterfly. So she knows it's her pickup time. Sorry about that. She knocked the camera over. But she's in there. So now I just take this, guys, and I use it. I pull this, and it pulls her over to me. All right? So, I've learned a new trick. See that tail hanging? Now, so let me get her washed up and then we'll milk. Look down there. Y'all know what that Macy's wanting? She's wanting milk. There's her little bowl right there. So every morning, I give her a little bit of milk. I use a double filter system. I have me some ordered, but they're not in. But this is like a little cheesecloth. And what I do is I put it over this filter here. And then I set it in here. I got me some filters ordered. They just hadn't came in yet. They running late. So it's kind of like I double filter it. Ooh, she seemed like she gave a lot this morning, that little heifer. There we go, guys. How much is that? Leave me in the comment. These are half-gallon jars, so that's a gallon and what, is it 3/4? Hey, I'm glad y'all came and fed with me today. If you're new to this channel, keep following us. Go ahead and subscribe, and we appreciate each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all, and God bless.